Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with a new lesson in general knowledge, that is amazing birds. Children, birds are also animals, but they have feathers and wings. Most of them can fly or soar in the sky, but some of them cannot fly. Birds that cannot fly are called flightless birds. So, come, let us see some unique birds. Wandering albatross. It has the largest wingspan of any living bird. Ostrich. It is the largest, fastest, and heaviest flightless bird. Penguin. It is a flightless bird that can swim underwater. Cassowary. It is a flightless and most dangerous bird in the world. Arctic tern. It is the longest distance migratory bird. Sarus crane. It is the tallest flying bird. African grey parrot. It has the ability to mimic human speech. Vulture. It is a large carnivorous bird known for its scavenging nature. Thank you.